Hello, in this video we are going to show you how to basically put a button into our window. Because if we're running right now, it's just a simple window. We want to spice it up a bit. And what we're going to do is use the message box module that is part of the Tkinter library, and we're going to actually pop up a message box when we click the button. So we're going to do from Tkinter. We're going to import, yes I know I spelled from wrong, and I'll flip that right now. So from that, and all of that's fine. We're going to define a method. I'm going to call it pop-up function. Takes no parameters. If you want it to, that's fine. You can extend it accordingly. Call this message, and this is going to equal a message box dot show info. And in here, so the title of the message box will be pop up title, and then the message in the message box I'm going to say as message. As an extra task, once we're done with this, I want you to extend this even more, maybe even get user input, put it in from the console, or wait till the tutorials where we have some sort of more of a user input widget, and do something. Maybe have multiple buttons. If you press one, it provides one message into the pop-up function, but only have the one function, and you can have parameters in here. So really exciting stuff. Now we're going to create the button widget equal to tkinter dot button window, and now the text is going to equal click me. So text that's displayed in the button when we click me and entice the user. Command is basically what is called when the button is clicked. And now we need to do button widget dot place x equals 25 and y equals 100. So this is just the coordinates that I'm placing it. The coordinates start on the top left, so positive in the x axis goes to the right, negative goes left, positive in the y axis goes down, negative in the y axis goes up. So pretty simple stuff, and now we should be ready to run. No errors, click me, and that pops up, and that's it. Simple as that. So that's it for this video. Like I said, extend it, have more buttons, maybe have one button that actually doesn't pop anything up, but if you press it, it adds some number to an existing variable, and when you click the pop-up button, the variable is displayed in there. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.